Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So I was like, let's quickly look at this conical hopper. So it's a conical hopper. Let me switch this one off. Let's look at this hopper. So remember that they will only give you the angle from here till here is angle 30. It's angle 30 degrees, and the height as well as the diameter. So from here till here they won't give you. So sometimes it might be a little bit challenging to draw it. So how did I draw it? I started with the diameter. Then from a diameter I went up, because this is the top view, this is the front view. I went up, constructed these lines, then this one is going vertical. From there I open it. The set is how much? Is a 30 degrees, isn't it? So this vertical line is at a line of what? Is at an angle of what? Of 90. This is the vertical center line, is at an angle of 90. So if this one is at an angle of 30, if I say 90 minus 30 degrees, which is what I'm given there, you understand? Because here the set is 30 degrees. If I say 90 minus 30, I am getting how much? I am getting 60. This one, this angle, the set is angle 30 degrees. Understand? So I'm getting what? 60. So that is why I drew this one at an angle of what? Of 60. So this one, it will automatically come out by itself. So the upper length of our front view is going to come out by itself again. Understand? So actually the moment you draw this center line that is at an angle of 60 degrees clockwise direction, it's going to give you what seems to be missing there. You understand? So again, I'm going to take this point vertically down. Let's complete the front view now, as well as this one. Let's complete the top view, not the front view. The front view is already completed. This center is gonna go vertically down, my guy. You get it? So which means I'm going to place my drawing compass here, further extended to where this point is ending. You understand? Let me do it. There you go. There you go. So you have to just adjust it a little bit. So there you go. You can draw it dark. There you go. Get it? So in other words, this center, this one, this center went like this from there. Angle 30, once it touched the upper, because we are given the height of the front view, it went vertically down and take that point. So where this one intersect with the horizontal one, that's basically where you're going to place the drawing compass. You understand? So that now I can come back and have this one solid and solid. So what seems to be missing there by your top view, we've already gotten it. You understand? So I will come to say this is A, this is B, this is C. You get it? So I have an A, B, C. Then from there, I'm going to divide my circle into 12 equal parts. You've got two methods that you can use. So it's either you use your set square or you use your, since I'm in a hurry, I'm going to use my set square. Or can you use your drawing compass? You get it? So the fact of the matter that it has to be divided into 12. So now I can come to say I have a 0 here, 1, 2, and the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, back to 0. You get it? Back to 0 like this, my guy. Then from there, what is going to happen? Is it clear enough? Let me try to yes. So then if I have a there in the same vertical center line with the B and the 3 and the 9 there by my top view, you get it, there by my top view. So I'm going to take point 1 and 11 vertically up. They are in the same line in terms of the vertical component, so I'm going to project them faint, you get it. Then point 2 with the 10 up faint, you understand. So point 3 with the 9 that are already there, point 4 and the 8. Look, now I'm going to take them. Once they touch the bottom part of my of my front view, I stop, because they must change the direction. They must be at an angle of 60 as well, like that. Understand? So my shadow, it gave me a problem, which means then 5 and 7, 5 and 7, there it goes. Once it touches the bottom part of my front view, I take it at an angle of 60 clockwise direction, you get it. Then from there, what is going to happen now? I can simply, where is my drawing compass? I can simply place my drawing compass at this point, further extend till here. So then from here till right there. So this is the hopper, you understand. Want to get there, take it vertically up. So there you go, get it right. So then if we get there, what is going to happen? We've started developing now. So before I go any further, so I'm going to say, let me look for the for the length of my development, understand. So I won't be using the graphical method, because what if I was not that much accurate, you understand. So I'm going to say L stand for the length of my development, pi times diameter over 12. So L stand for the length, I will substitute pi and d. So the diameter is 40. If you have forgotten, go back and oh, it's 30. If you see, I almost use 40. So it's is 30. If you've forgotten like me, just go back and record it all over 12. So you take your calculator, you punch this the way as you see it in a fraction order. So I will say fraction order, open bracket, second function, and press the symbol for pi, you understand. Set fraction order, open bracket, shift and press symbol for pi, close bracket, and then the d substituted 30, close bracket, and go to denominator 12 is equals to, and then simplify it further. We are getting how much? L is 7.854, isn't it? So therefore please use how much? Use 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter. So this 8 millimeter, you are going to use it how? You're going to open my drawing compass to 8 millimeter, because another method, if you don't want to calculate this, you can just simply place it here. Remember, you said you are dividing your circle into 12 equal parts. You can simply place your drawing compass at point 0, further extended to 2.1. Understand? But then what if you are not accurate when you are drawing your cycle, and your pencil lead maybe was too dull, you understand. You must think about all such kind of things. So it's better you stick to the to your roots. So now I'm opening my drawing compass to 8 millimeter. It's 8 already. There is my 8. Just adjust it a little bit. So I'm going to say this is my 0. Yeah. So where it's the horizontal bottom line of my front view going this side, I'm going to express my full development this side. So 0, 1, 2, and 3. So I will stop at 3. Why? Because of at 3. Thank you, my brother, for sharing the life. So why at 3? Because of the turning point of what you are drawing takes place there. Because what are we drawing actually? We are drawing this hopper of ours is something of this nature, guys. Something of this nature. So here is vertically straight, you understand. So here is skewed at that angle of what? Of 30. So we are drawing something of this nature. So that hopper, understand? So at that 3, that's where the turning point starts. So I'm going to say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So remember, I said to you, if you number your work, if you number, close this one, then you come here. If you number your work, everything is going to become simple. So I'll construct this one, faint vertically up, 0.2 vertically up. See, this is simple, straightforward. It's even there in your textbook, isn't it? You come and extend this one, this up, just extend it a little bit further, you understand. And then what is going to happen now? So I can have this one solid from here till there. Let me have it solid. This is the part of my development already. Have it solid. Have it solid. Well, then from there, I'll come back to my front view, right? Because I've gotten 0 up to 3. Then from 3, 4, 5, 6, do you see that this 0 up to 3, this constructional line, they are just going vertically straight up, you understand? So now to get the 4, 5, 6, you see that there is that turning, so they are going this side. So I'll come back and at what? 8.4, because this is 3, right? 4. How? Up there at your at your point, at the upper part of your front view, draw this line that is at an angle of 30 degrees anti-clockwise. So how? This one, that goes. Once it touch there, draw it at an angle of 35 degree, of 30 degrees anti-clockwise. You get it? So that is why I said this center must exceed your drawing, because now that's where the turning takes place, right from point 3. Understand? So point 3 is the center, isn't it? So there it is. So I'm constructing point 4, which is this one, towards my center. You get it? And point 5 as well, do the same thing at an angle of 30. There you go. So once it touch my center, I stop there. Point 6, do the same thing. There you go. Faint, my guy. You construct them faint. So once they touch there, so now I'm going to take them horizontally. So there you go. So I will construct them horizontally like that. So come back to what? To your front view. This camera is not clear enough. Okay, so there by front view, do you see that point A is at the same vertical line with what? With the B. So which means here I can say I'm having the very same A, and even up there the very same B. So which is the first derivative of point B and A. Understand? Which means basically graphically I'm saying it's still the same point. You get it? Right. So do you see that point C is along what? Is along along this line. So point C is in the same line with point B in terms of the horizontal. So from here till here is C. So how am I going to get that? So I'll simply place my drawing compass. I'm looking for point C, isn't it? Place it at A. Further extended to what? To the point that I'm looking for, which is point C. This can stand up. There it is. You get it. This is point C. Right. So without disturbing the drawing compass, I come to my development. I place it at first derivative of, and then I bisect that arc. Understand? So which means I'm getting my point C right there. So again, if let me confirm it, prove it. How? By placing it at B, further extend, and check that I am that accurate or what. So this is C, then I come and place it at B. Indeed they are bisecting. Understand? So where they are bisecting each other, right there, take your 30mm ruler and join them. So there it is, dark from here. Then I can have it extend this one. There is a reason for that, because the turning point again takes place there, faint. So this point is point C, the first derivative of point C. So up here I can have it solid. There you go, you get it. So even down here it will be solid. There you go. Right. So if you get here, what is going to happen now? If you get here, what is going to happen? So what we did up here, we're supposed to do it down here. What we did up there, we are going to do it down here. How? Like this. Begin with what? With 4. Take it to your center. There you go. 5. There you go. 6. There you go. So once they touch your center, then you're gonna go horizontal. There you go. There you go. There you go. So which means I'm having a point there, I'm having a point there, I'm having a point there, I'm having a point there. So in on the upper part. So here I'm having a point there, I'm having a point there, I'm having a point there. So this point, actually this is what? This is the point 6. This one is that point 6, which is this one. Trace it, there it goes. It's this one, this one. Once it touch there, this one. Once it touch there, goes down from here. You see, it's point 6. It's the line 6. You understand? So this one is going to be a 5, the second one. Trace it is the first one below. From there, that goes, that goes, that goes. Once it touch it is the 5, which is 5 in line with 7. You get it? So after that one, this is 6, this is 5, this is 4. So the 4 is the below one. There it is, there it is, there you go. Once it touch there, you come down, isn't it? From there, there it's 4. So this, it makes sense. It's talking, you understand? You must let it talk. So this is 4, which is in line with what? With 8. You understand? So now I am going to take this line of 6 at an angle of 30 in a clockwise direction. Now there you go. My shadow is giving me tough time. This thing of drawing at night. So there you go. And There you go. Including 0.3. There you go. Understand? So I can extend them because they must be a little bit long. There you go. So why am I avoiding to draw this side? Because of the light, you understand? So I might having a double lines which is not allowed. You understand? So this is at an angle of 30. This one. This was at an angle of 30 degrees. You get it? Anti-clockwise. This one angle 30 degrees. What? In a clockwise direction. So what you did up here, my brother, you are going to do it down here. So you are going to take this one as well at an angle of 30. There you go. There you go. Faint. There you go. Including 0.3. There you go. You get it. So you come back and record the 8mm. The 8mm, which is this one. So I can even still record it right from this one. You get it? This 8mm, which is this one, and it. So this was 3, then you're going to say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why am I stopping at 9? Because double check your what? Your 9 is at a line with what? With a 0.3. And when you check from 3 to, from 3 to 0 and 9 to 0 is a straight. It's not a bend. It's going to be straight, which means even at your end you must be having what? A straight. So this bending thing is actually starting from 3 to 9. You get it? So I'm going to say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, my guy. You understand? So now, if you take a closer look, this is at an angle of what? It's at an angle of 60. It's at an angle of 60. So now you're going to take, isn't it, your T-square aligning to a drawing board. Then you take this one at an angle of 60. Angle of 60. So now I project it to my 0.4. Just flash it down to your 0.4. Then I draw this one finch. Flash it down to your 0.5. There you go. 0.6. There you go. Draw them faint. 0.7. Like this we go. 0.8. There you go. 0.9. There you go. You get it. So then let's plot the point. It's up to you when. It's up to lo muntu ka wena. Whether you start with this one or you start with the upper one. You understand? Let's start with what? With this one. So check this. This is 3. Let it come out by itself. This is simple, straightforward. So this is 0.3. Then once you miss at your numbering. That is why even when you develop a square to round, you understand? So your numbering is very much important there. You understand? So actually in PSSD, your numbering point of your top view is the one matters most. You understand? Check this. If I have a 3 here, I will take it up once it touches the front view. That goes. It's intersecting with the 3, which means I'm having a point there, which is already there. So now let's go to 4. 3, 4, and it. There it goes. Once it touches there, it comes at an angle of 30 degrees anti-clockwise from there, horizontal straight. Once it touches here, then must intersect with what? With the 4, which means I'm having what? A point there. You understand? So you must let it come out by itself. You understand? So 0.5, that goes. Once it touch there, goes to at an angle of 30 degrees from the center, goes horizontal. Once it touch there, must intersect with what? With a line of 5. So which means I'm having what? A point there. You get it? Then 6, there it goes, there it goes. Once it touch there you go. It's the last one. Must intersect from there, it comes down, isn't it? Must intersect with what? With the 6. You get it? Then 7 in line with what? With 5. Right from our top view. 7 in line with what? With 5. That goes from there, goes from there. Airborne. So there it is. Then 8 in line with what? With the 4. That goes from there, intersect with what? With 8. You get it? Then 9 in line with 3. You get it? So that goes from there. So I have what? This point. So now I can take, where are they? So that you have your curve now. So now you can have it, my curve. Nice curve. There you go. There you go. And there you go. So there you go. You get it. So my brother, what you did down here, you are going to do it. They're supposed to pass exactly your point. So what you did down here, you are going to do it up there. You get it? So now let's start at 3. So that goes from there. Now it's gonna go up. You understand? Once it touch there it goes, which means intersecting with what? With 3, which is at the same point with the what? With the first derivative of point C. You understand? Okay. 4, there you go. From there it's gonna go up now. Once it touch the angle of 30 degrees anti-clockwise, there it goes. Once it touch there, must intersect with what? With 4. So which means I have a point right here. So point 5, remember 3, 4, 5. There it goes. Once it touch the bottom part of your front view, it goes to the upper part of your front view. From there, angle 30 degrees anti-clockwise. Once it touch there, horizontal, there it goes. Must intersect with what? With the 5. So which means I'm having a what? A point right there. You understand? So do not cram this. How can you even cram it? You understand? Because you must let it come out by itself. So point 6, that goes, once it touch there, they go from there, must intersect with what? With the 6, which is the last one. So alright, there you get it. So point 7 is actually in the same line with what? With point 5. There it goes, 7. From there, trace it. From here, go straight. Must intersect with what? With point 7. There it is. You get it. Then point 8 in the same line with point 4. Once it touch there, it goes to your upper part of your front view, 30 degrees anti-clockwise. Point 8, isn't it? In line with what? With 4. There it goes. Once it touch there, comes, must intersect with what? With the 8 of the side. So there they are intersecting. Point 9 in line with what? With 3, which is the center. There it goes from there, which is the last one. From there till at 9. This is my 9, isn't it? There it goes. This is my point 9. You get it? So now you can use, you can even still use the what? The flex curve, or if you don't have all of this, you can use a freehand. So Mina, since I'm having them, I am going to use them. There you go. Just that my shadow stand. So just like this, So thank you very much guys for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi for a conical hopper, for this hopper. So I was in awe that it was not uploaded there by our YouTube channel, because I've been teaching this one for long, so I thought it's available there. So thank you very much guys for watching. And if something is too simple for you, my guy, don't think it's actually simple to everyone. You get it? So don't underestimate any drawing and be like, that one, why are you doing that one? Is simple. You understand? To somebody it's not simple. To somebody who's doing drawing for the first time, it's not simple. So it's a simple, straightforward like that. So it's saying, why are you using manual? Yeah, because the question says so, that you can use AutoCAD or drawing instrument. You understand? So thank you very much guys for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos to be uploaded. See you on the next video. Okay.